Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, disappointing day today for Namaste. I think it's gonna keep heading down further because of this piece of news. Whenever I've been in the market for a long time, and whenever a company usually raises money, like 95% of the time, the price stock usually drops right after they raise the money. So my fear is Namaste stock might go back to $2 or even lower. So I sold out just in case something bad happens. I know I'm gonna probably get some hate for this, but you know what? I want to be transparent. I want to tell people that I'm completely out of the stock. I have sold. I know that there's a possibility of them listing on the the Nasdaq. So I still hope they go to the Nasdaq, but I'm not gonna take the gamble of my profits for a possibility of moving to the Nasdaq. But if it goes back down to $2, I'll add to my position again, and then if it goes down even lower than $2, then I'll just keep adding to my position. But I'm planning to buy back into this company eventually if it has that correction. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to let the stock go. But I'm being careful because I want to take my profits. I want money. I don't wanna leave my money in this company to lose all my gains. So that's why I took my profits. I know there are people that when I release this video are gonna argue with me and say, "Oh, you're an idiot. Why you sell all your stock? It's this company's going to $4, $5." You know what? I made a video saying that Namaste was going to go to $4. I really thought at the time they would, but there was a crash yesterday, and today they raised money. So I was like, okay, this stock's probably not going to go past $4 now. Maybe in the future they will. Maybe next year. Maybe when the company finally shows their vision and executes their strategy and shows positive revenue generation and gross margin. But in the short term, I think the stock could go back down to $2. This is my opinion. I'm definitely going to be picking up more if it goes down to $2. If it goes down lower than $2, I'm going to add to my position. But that's my plan moving forward. I just want to let everyone know what I'm planning to do. So they raised $45 million for a price tag of $3. They sold 50 million units, so they're gonna dilute the stock another 50 million units. So I don't know. It's just I've seen it so many times on Aurora, on every single company. Usually after a capital raise, the stock price tend to fall. Like when Aurora raised capital at $14, the stock fell down to $8. So I totally see that this happening, unless it's a buy deal directly from a company like Constellation Brand. When they bought into Canopy at $48 a share, the stock rose instead, because it's different when another company buys into a company. But when a company raises capital, the stock price tends to fall. So I'm gonna take the gamble of my personal experience that I think the stock's gonna go down further. So I sold and I took my profits and made my money neutral from losing more money in Namaste stock if the price stock fell further. I sold $28,000 today. 28,000 shares today at a price of $2.90, and then I sold another 10,000 shares I had for $2.83. So I sold about 38,000 shares, which is my total position in Namaste, because I'm scared. I don't. Whenever I see a capital raise, I get scared, and I think the stock price is gonna drop. But You know, for people who believe in this company, who are long term on this company, I wish you guys best of luck. I hope your stock goes up further and makes you some money. So good luck to you guys. Right now Namaste stock is 285. So, you know, it's kind of stabilizing from when I sold it. Who knows? Maybe it'll go back up. Maybe it'll go back up to $3. I don't know. I'm just scared right now because of the capital raise. That's just my opinion. We'll see what happens in the coming week. I'll keep you guys updated on the stock regardless. And I'll still watch every Namaste 420 show even if I'm no longer a shareholder. So Aurora Cannabis, no news today. The stock kind of went in the red. My prediction today is I think the stock's gonna probably take back to maybe $12. But we'll see what's going. We'll see what happens today. Today I think it's gonna be a red day. Let's see where weed is at right now. So went down a little bit. Alfira went down a little bit. It's probably gonna be a red day. Hexo had some pretty interesting news, but it's not really moving up. Left is going crazy. It's on fire. It's dangerous to buy a left because it has a $625 million market cap, and right now they only have a 7. I don't know if they have any more construction up, but from a video I saw, that was about in June 21st. They had like a 7,000 square feet. They were building a facility in on land that's 150,000 square feet, and then they also bought out a greenhouse that was 160,000 square feet that they're retrofitting to grow cannabis in. Does this company deserve a $600+ million market cap? I don't know. I don't think so, but I haven't really done too much research on this company, so I would not recommend buying it just because it ran up so much in such a short time that it's gonna probably have a correction eventually. Did they have any news today? No, didn't really have any news today. That's September 26th. Didn't really have any news today. Oh well. New beverage company. Ever since I bought the stock, it's gone up and up, and it's up another 5% today. I'm not planning to add to my position unless the stock drops below my price average. Maybe if the stock price drops down to $3.50, I may pick up more shares. But I'm definitely interested in this company, and I'm definitely attempting to do more research on this company and find out more information. So I'm gonna keep a close eye on this company because the CEO is very interesting, and there's a possibility that maybe Coke might buy them out. So that's why I'm interested. Aurora Cannabis. The short position, I don't know how accurate this site is, but the short position increased 73% to 50 million shares. So I think shorts are back. They're trying to short the stock so they can make some money. We'll see what happens. If a Coke deal comes out, these shorts are gonna lose so much money. But you know what? Whatever. That's the game. They saw the price stock. They saw Aurora's stock price. Let's see what Aurora's stock price is at, close to all-time highs. So I guess they're attempting to sell. I still really believe in Aurora. So I mean, and I believe that I really truly believe that they're talking to somebody for capital investment. So I do believe, and then I think the financials when they do release them are gonna be very, very good. The one in November, I think it's gonna be like $100 million. It would shock me if it's not. I mean, it has to be because the company's already generating around $33 million with MetroLeaf, and the fact that will be selling to the rec market. That will tack on another $60 million between the three companies. At least this is just my opinion. We'll see what happens in coming in November, I guess. So there's too much catalyst for Aurora. There's the November financials. There's the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq, and then there's what's the last one? Possibility of a Coke deal. So, there's a lot of catalysts. So I don't know why shorts are even even trying to short the stock, but maybe they see something I don't, or maybe they're just gambling the fact that the stock price is already kind of high, and they're gambling that the stock price will go down. Who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? Canopy, no news today for Canopy. I say the worst case scenario for Canopy is the stock would tank down to $50 because they're getting a $5 billion deal from Constellation Brands. So I just don't see, I just see blue skies for Canopy. They have so much supply, so the quarterly report is going to be very, very good. They have a lot of, and they have a lot of working capital. They have $5 billion investment from Constellation Brands. So in 2019, their revenues are going to skyrocket, especially if they make a really good acquisition. And if Aurora wants to keep up with them, they're gonna need to raise more capital. I think they are. I think they're talking to someone right now to be able to raise more capital and get a partner, because that will really help accelerate the company. So if the company truly wants to accelerate, they better be finding an investor / maybe partner too. So that's what I'm hoping. I'm really hoping Aurora has somebody in the pipeline, especially Coke, because I think Coke infused cannabis drinks are gonna sell like hotcakes. Think about it. You go to a restaurant and they're offering you a Coke infused cannabis beverage where it's tastes like Coke but it gets you high. No taste of cannabis. That oh my god, people would that would sell like hotcakes. I honestly that just sell like so much, product would just move if they managed to get a deal with Coke. There was a news today for Supreme. That's why Supreme popped up today. They signed a $12 million deal with Tilray, so they're supplying Tilray $12 million of cannabis products. I tried Supreme's product through Aurora. I'll be honest with you, I don't like their product. It doesn't taste very good. It was the berry version one. I don't know if any other the products taste better, but to be honest, I don't like the taste of Supreme Pharmaceuticals cannabis product that came directly from Aurora. So that's just my opinion. We'll see how well this company does in the future. I think Tilray is just desperate because they need supply for the rec market, and they have nothing right now because their production capacity is very small. They're building greenhouses and other things to ramp up supply, but right now they only have a 60,000 square feet facility. I think I'm not 100% positive on it. I haven't done too much research on Tilray, I'll be honest. I have done research on Tilray, and from my research, they do have Hyde Park, which I think they own or something, a subsidiary, and they have I think a 100,000 square feet facility. I forgot. It's been so long since I've done this research, so I could be totally wrong. Canopy Rivers. I'm either hoping this stock goes back to $9 or this stock goes to $5 so I can buy more. So if it goes to $9, at least I'll make my money back. If it goes down to $5, I'll add on to my position. I don't think this stock's going anywhere. $1.24 billion market cap could be overvalued. HMMJ is only $1 billion, right? So, and it's kind of the same thing. They're both ETFs in a sense. Hexo had some pretty interesting news, and it's down today, but I have to say that I'm surprised. They're setting up a production facility in Greece. a large-scale cannabis production facility in Greece, so they're planning to expand internationally. That's shocking to me because according to my research a long time ago, they were not planning to go international. I guess they are now, so that's a good sign for the company. That's a very good sign for the company. Anyways, yeah, so that's all I really have to say about that. Australia's capital. Let's see where it's at right now. Going down to 288. That's good. That's good. I plan to add more if it goes down to $2. I'm hoping the stock tanks. Come on, guys, sell your stock so I can buy it cheaper. Sell it. Sell it. No, I don't know. I'm just kidding. I don't care what you do, but I'm hoping the stock declines down to $2 so I can get a much better buy. Because I don't know. I just want, like, I think this company is going to be around for a while. I think if Aurora gets like a big investment from Coke, I think the stock is going to go back to $10 because traders are going to come in, and that's just my opinion. I could totally be wrong. I think traders going to, if Coke invests into Aurora, I think traders are going to come in and pump the stock up, and so then they have a lot of capital to go around acquiring assets. But you never know with these things. But you know what? I still plan to buy it if it goes down to $2. So I'm hoping it has a correction. And besides that, the Namaste horrible news today, there's no really no catalyst for the stock market today. It's kind of dead. I think Aurora is going to be very quiet this week. I don't think there's going to be very much news for Aurora this week. So, but next week might be exciting. Who knows? We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Oh, I guess next week would be in October, right? Yeah, next week's October. So October should be a very exciting time for Aurora with the whole New York Stock Exchange thing. So hopefully in early October, we'll hear like a announcement for a New York Stock Exchange or a NASDAQ listing. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.